Welcome back to Knowledge with Fun. Hi, I am Shweta Lal. And today's topic is Dalton atomic theory. Dalton divided his theory in 4 different parts. The first part of his theory states that all matter is made of atoms, which are indivisible. The second part of the theory says all atoms of a given element are identical in mass and properties. The third part says compounds are combinations of 2 or more different types of atoms. The fourth part of the theory states that a chemical reaction is a rearrangement of atoms.
डाल्टन परमाणु सिद्धांत। उनके सिद्धांत के पहले भाग में कहा गया है कि सभी पदार्थ परमाणुओं से बने हैं जो अविभाज्य हैं। सिद्धांत के दूसरे भाग में कहा गया है कि किसी दिए गए तत्व के सभी परमाणु द्रव्यमान और गुणों में समान हैं। तीसरे भाग में कहा गया है कि यौगिक 2 या 2 से अधिक विभिन्न प्रकार के परमाणुओं के संयोजन होते हैं। सिद्धांत के चौथे भाग में कहा गया है कि एक रासायनिक प्रतिक्रिया परमाणुओं का पुनर्गठन है।
Key points. Dalton based his theory on the law of conservation of mass and the law of constant composition. The law of conservation. The law of conservation of mass says that matter is not created or destroyed in a closed system. The law of constant composition. The law of constant composition says that a pure compound will always have the same proportion of the same elements. Example, carbon dioxide, CO2, always contains carbon and oxygen in 3:8 mass ratio. Water, H2O, always consists of hydrogen and oxygen in a 1:9 mass ratio.
प्रमुख बिंदु। संरक्षण का कानून। द्रव्यमान के संरक्षण का कानून कहता है कि एक बंद प्रणाली में पदार्थ बनाया या नष्ट नहीं किया गया है। निरंतर संरचना का कानून। निरंतर संरचना का कानून कहता है कि एक शुद्ध यौगिक हमेशा एक ही तत्व के समान अनुपात में होगा। उदाहरण, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड CO2 में हमेशा 3:8 द्रव्यमान अनुपात में कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन होता है। पानी H2O में हमेशा एक 9 द्रव्यमान अनुपात में हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन होता है।
Example of law of conservation of mass. If you build a campfire like this one, you start with a big pile of logs. As the fire burns, the pile of logs slowly shrinks. By the end of the evening, all that's left is a small pile of ashes. What happened to the matter that you started with? Was it destroyed by the fire? It may seem as though burning destroys matter, but the same amount, or mass, of matter still exists after a campfire as before. Look at the sketching figure below. It shows that when wood burns, it combines with oxygen and changes not only to ashes but also to carbon dioxide and water vapor. The gases float off into the air, leaving behind just the ashes. Suppose you had measured the mass of the wood before it burned and the mass of the ashes after it burned. Also suppose you had been able to measure the oxygen used by the fire and the gases produced by the fire. What would you find? The total mass of matter after the fire would be the same as the total mass of matter before the fire. This burning campfire example illustrates a very important law in science, the law of conservation of mass.
हमारे वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद।